explain working of trip supervision circuit. So here in the figure you can visualize the trip supervision circuit basic arrangement. The trip circuit monitoring the breaker that always checks the healthiness of the tripping circuit of the breaker. So a breaker tripping circuit consists of mainly 110 volt DC tripping coil, 110 volt DC source and 110 volt DC tripping coil connecting wires. If the tripping circuit is healthy, then the breaker will definitely trip in case of fault. And in the event of fault, the breaker must trip, that is the work supervised by the trip supervision circuit. Now some breakers have two tripping coils, one operated with 110 volt DC and the other with 220 volt AC. This is done to ensure the tripping of the breaker in case of failure of one of the supply systems, but the breaker must trip or the trip circuit must get the supply. Now in this case, two separate trip coil circuit supervision circuits are used. Here you can visualize this. KM1 and KM2 both are different. The trip circuit supervision relay has three coils, KM1, KM2 and TCS. This TCS means trip circuit supervision relay, TCS relay. So to limit the current through the relay coils KM1 and KM2, so here in between this the resistance R is added to limit the current so that the relay may be protected. The relay monitors the health of the trip circuit in the breaker in the closed and open position. Accordingly, the trip circuit supervision function can be divided into two categories. One is pre-circuit trip supervision and another one is the post-closed circuit supervision. So in this two different mode, the trip supervision circuit works accordingly the operation needs. So this is all about the basic details of the working of trip supervision circuit.